My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Ford Transit Custom Camper. This vehicle has done just over 34,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink, cooker and fridge just below. And with no rear seats in the back, it means we have a lot more room to move around. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, emergency assistance, full pass connect and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. And if we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.